to cling to. I never knew I loved this world they left me into, and the memories were lost long ago. So I'll dance with these beautiful ghosts, and the memories were lost long ago. So I'll dance with these beautiful
Well done, Molly. Anya, what do you think of Molly's performance tonight?
Wow. I mean, we saw you before. I don't think you completed the season, though. I think you had to leave. But I can already see that you've come on quite a bit already. I mean, from where you were before, you are, like, it's a bit weird for me because it's strange because I can just remember you singing before you were so scared, you know? And you never went for them high notes. I think you done Colours of the Wind, didn't you? Yeah, but that last note, I think that's one of the highest notes I ever heard you sing. I think the highest one I ever heard you sing was in Memory. But I think you can do so much, I think, and you've got so much power there waiting to come out. And it was just very pretty. There was parts of it that seemed almost pointing towards the beginning, and then your low notes were quite very well controlled. And well done, it was awesome.
Kelly?
I think there's been so much growth in your voice since we heard you last time. It's got thicker and you're projecting your voice more, because if I remember correctly, that was a big thing for you, the mic, and was projecting that voice. Your voice has got so much bigger. And I thought it was a really captivating performance, because I had to keep checking that it was like a Taylor Swift song, wasn't it? And I was like, what? No way. Because you made it was like you put Molly's stamp on it, because I remember you doing very musical theatre, and you kind of like, you drew me in, and I wanted to listen to what the song was about, and you put your version of on that song, and I thought it was really beautiful. It really was. You really captivated me again. Well done.
Molly, I understand for that then, because when you got to that last note, like obviously you were so powerful that you kind of tricked the system. But the reason why is because I remember the last time I saw you, and I used to have to keep saying, hold the mic close, we can't hear you, we can't hear you, we can't hear you. And for you to go from there, it takes time to, learn your mic control and that. But for you to go from there in such a short time to the point where I've got to pull down the levels because you're so loud, that's incredible. That's incredible. That's such a big improvement on where we've last seen her. Again, I was surprised this was a Taylor Swift song, because you really made it theatrical and made it Molly's version, and your confidence is soaring on the stage now. You're really in the zone. I'm so impressed with what you've just done, Molly, because my memory of you is, I remember you having that little bit of self-doubt, that moment where you doubted yourself so much and you couldn't cope, and you was like, Mom, I can't do it, that part. And to see you get up on that stage for there is impressive. From where you was and how you felt and what you've just done for there, nobody would have ever thought that you was that person who was froze at the back of this room all them months ago. Mom, I can't get up there, I can't get up there, and you left. Nobody would think the same girl. Can I have a round of applause for that, guys? You should be very impressed with what you just done. Keep up the good work. Yeah? Keep it forward. Well done.